It's another edition of the Trading Tips video newsletter, teaching you how to become a successful trader in less than 5 minutes per week. The video newsletter is brought to you by TradingTips.com.
Welcome to this TradingTips.com video newsletter on accumulation distribution. Accumulation distribution is a great tool for measuring the buying and selling activities of the big money institutions that drive the market. Let's get started. The purpose of accumulation distribution is to measure the flow of money into and out of a stock. This includes both pricing and volume data. Accumulation distribution forms a line typically placed under the chart, and that line often predicts future price movements. By also using the stock's moving average, you can find convergences and divergences that are even better indicators. How is accumulation distribution calculated? Well, you start with CLV, or close location value. This is determined using the closing, high, and low prices of the period with one of 5 results: 1.0 if the stock closes at its high, negative 1.0 if it closes at its low, and 0 if it closes right in the middle. The other 2 possibilities are a result between 0 and 1 if it closes somewhere between the midpoint and the high, and a result between negative 1 and 0 if it closes somewhere between the low and the midpoint. Once we have CLV, we multiply by the periodic volume to get our accumulation distribution line value. Here's an example. The accumulation distribution line is in light green on the bottom, while the thin blue line is the accumulation distribution's 20-day moving average. How to trade the accumulation distribution line? Well, it's a bullish sign when the accumulation distribution line starts to rise, even if the stock is not yet rising. This typically indicates the stock will rise in the future. Secondly, when the accumulation distribution line pierces up through its moving average, or even when there is a positive divergence, i.e. the lines separate with the current line going higher, that's bullish too. On the bearish side of things, just think of the opposite. When the line starts heading down, that might be a sign that it's time to sell or go short. And when there is convergence or negative divergence, that's bearish too. Another advantage to the accumulation distribution line is that it helps confirm the strength and stability of a price move. On the negative side, it doesn't take gaps into consideration. A stock that gaps up at the close can have a distorted accumulation distribution reading. Accumulation distribution is not available on Yahoo Finance or most other free sites, but you can make charts with accumulation distribution underlays at www.sharpcharts.com. Just select accumulation distribution from the drop-down menu of technical indicators as shown. However, to make historical charts, you do need to be a paid subscriber. Similar to the accumulation distribution line is Investors Business Daily's accumulation distribution statistic, which is part of its Smart Select corporate ratings series. This is a letter grade given to each stock that measures its relative degree of institutional buying or selling over the past quarter. A grade of A means heavy buying. A grade of E means heavy selling. This is accessible from the stock checkup section at investors.com. Here's an example of an IBD stock checkup. This particular stock has an A- accumulation distribution rating, meaning that institutional buying over the past 13 weeks has been quite heavy. In conclusion, the accumulation distribution line is a useful money flow indicator, perhaps better than MFI itself because it's better at being a predictive indicator. Similar to the accumulation distribution line, IBD's accumulation distribution rating is a great tool for viewing a stock's approximate accumulation distribution at a glance. We hope you've enjoyed this TradingTips.com video newsletter. Thank you and good trading.
This Trading Tips video newsletter has been brought to you by Manny Backus's First Hour Trading System. Every day there's money to be made in the first hour of stock trading. This is the world of day trading, not for novices, unless you have a system. The First Hour Trading System. Visit firsthourtrading.com now and sign up for a free 30-day trial. You could make enough in the first hour of your day to take the rest of the day off. Do you want to view more Trading Tips videos? Visit tradingtips.com. Sign up for our free video newsletters. Become a successful trader by visiting tradingtips.com.